Back to my channel Mom and Me Educational. In my last Hindi video, I have introduced 4 vowels. That is 4 swar. I already have taught you how to write and how you can memorize them. Like a, e. Okay, we already have learned 4 vowels. Today we will do the 5 more vowels or 5 more swar. Okay, the first one is here, u. Okay, that is u. Choti u. In Hindi we can call it choti u or short u. Okay, how can you write? First to make a half curve, then another half, then put a sleeping line over there. This sleeping line is called apostrophe or zero rekha. It is very important for Hindi. Whenever you write Hindi letters, it is very important. Some letters they are having this line and some letters, very few letters, they doesn't having this kind of shiro rekha. Okay, it is very important. So let's start. That is u. I told you u or short u. Upahar. Upahar means gift. Ullu, u, half la, then full la, then u ki matra. That is ullu. Ullu means owl. Ustara. Ustara. Ustara means razor. Upabana. Upaban means garden. I already have written the pronunciation of these Hindi words in English. Okay, so it will definitely help you. And next one is oo. Okay, that is long oo. In Hindi we can say it badi oo. Okay, so how can you write? First you write one curve, then second curve, then put a shiro rekha, then make a little tail from here. That is badi oo. So how can you memorize this? U say un or u for un. Un means ul. Oot. This is a symbol of Chandra Bindu. I didn't tell any symbol. In my next upcoming videos, obviously I will do for matras. But before that, I will finish all the swars and vyanjan. All the vowels and consonants letters will be taught nicely. Then I will make the video for the matra. Okay, or symbols. I will do after that. So here, u for un, that is ool. U for oot, that is camel. U for udbilav or otter. U say uncha or u for uncha, that is high. Okay. Next one is re. Re say or re for rishi. Rishi means scent. Re for rishab. Rishab means a boy name. Re for ritu or re say ritu. Ritu means season. Seasons are called ritu. So how can you write? This is little, if you see this, you can be a little bit confused, but don't worry. I'm here to tell you. First you put a standing line. Then make a curve, not curve. So first put a slanting line, then another slanting line. Then from here go up, make a curve, go down and make another curve. Okay, just like a cursive E, you can say, and here you have to put a shiro rekha or apostrophe. Once again, I will teach you how to write. First, to make a standing line here, then one slanting line here, another slanting line, then go up, make a curve, then go down. Okay, and here you have to put a sleeping line. Okay, this is called re. Rishe rishi, rishe rishab, rishe ritu. I already told you. Next one is a. Next one is a. Okay. So how can you write this? First standing line, then slanting line. Then from here, slanting line and make a curve. And put a shiro rekha or sleeping line. Once more, standing line, slanting line, standing line, curve. And one sleeping line. That is A. A for ek. Ek means one. A for eri. Eri means hill. A for ektara. Ektara means one string musical instrument. Okay, so one instrument, it has one string. If you touch the string, it will make a very beautiful melodious sound. Okay, next one is ekta. Ekta. Ekta means unity. Unity is called ekta. Okay, children. So next and the last one today's video, that is I. So how can you write I here? Same, just like A, you write like this and make a cap here. That is I. I say ainak. Ainak means spectacles. I say airabat. That is white elephant. I say ambulance. Okay, so ambulance also same. I say aisa. Aisa means ass. Okay, so that's all.